What's up, everybody? We are in Luang Prabang, Laos. We just got here, dropped our stuff off at the hotel, going for a short walk, and man, I'm loving it. Not a big fan of huge cities like Bangkok, where we've been for 3 weeks, so I'm ready for this nice, calm change.
And I have been recovering from my surgery, for the last 3 weeks. So I'm ready to walk through this UNESCO World Heritage site where we're going to start a series where we introduce you to waterfalls, temples, night markets, the food, all the great stuff that Luang Prabang has to offer. So stick with us, come join us as we start the vlog. Luang Prabang has over 30 temples spread throughout the city, which is one of the many reasons why it's been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Preserving the education, science, and culture is something that's important and something that people should see that are traveling globally. You'll see the preservation in the signs, you'll see it in the buildings, and you'll see it in many traditions throughout the city. Luang Prabang is an extremely walkable city, and actually it's a bit of a peninsula nestled between the Mekong River and the Mekong River. And if you don't want to hit all 30 temples in one day, the city center has about 16 that you could hit just in a walk right there. But of course, any day would not be complete without a nice stroll along the Mekong River. Speaking of the Mekong River, we cannot forget to mention how significant this river is, not only to the world, but also to Southeast Asia. To the world, it is the 12th longest river, and to Southeast Asia, it is the longest river that flows through 6 countries. Here in Luang Prabang, it's really important to transportation, being an important fishery for the community, agriculture, biodiversity, and tourism. During our visit, there was a project going on to shore up the bank of the river so that when it rose, it didn't flood the city, which is amazing. And there's a point in the river where you can see where the Mekong and the Mekong converge, and you see the 2 colors mix, which is awesome. The night market is where you go if you want to capture some fun souvenirs. It's also where you go to taste a bunch of different foods, have some nice drinks, and watch the crowd go by. But if you truly want to get an immersive experience, if you want to know what it's like to be a local, to see what they eat, to see the kind of foods they prepare, their spices, all of that good stuff, the day market is really where you need to be. And not just the main part, sneak off to some of the side streets because some of the hidden gems are truly there. Okay, truth time. When I said the hidden gem is the market, it's actually the kids. The kids in Laos are incredibly friendly. They wave at Phalongs or foreigners and say hello. They love to practice their English. If you have an opportunity to volunteer some time at the Big Mouse House, they have 2 courses, one in the morning and one in the evening, where you can practice speaking with kids. Or if you're like us and wander around town, you can catch some kids playing a game of football, or if you're from America, soccer.
And that is a wrap for this video. We have walked from our hotel to where we found the Mekong River, the sun setting behind us. I don't think it's going to get much better than that, so.
Not at all. Thank you for joining us for the first video in our Luang Prabang series. Join us for the next one where we go visit the night market and taste all the yummy, inexpensive, cheap, warm, hot food. We cannot wait to do it. So be sure to like, be sure to subscribe so you're the first person that gets to see the next video in our series. See you then.
Thanks for watching.